Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this chicken curry. So stay tuned, let me introduce you to the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have some all-purpose seasoning, but it's not a must you make use of it. You can make use of any seasoning cube of your choice or any bouillon of your choice. And I also making use of some curry powder. This one is a must because you are making chicken curry. And I'll be making use of some nutmeg and some bay leaf. This will enhance the flavor and the taste. I will also be making use of some chicken seasoning Benny, and I have some salt as well and some thyme. For the vegetables and proteins, I will be making use of some spring onion, just like so, but I'll be dicing it later off camera. Then I have some shrimp, and this is the size I'm making use of. You can make use of any size of your choice. I have some chicken fillets, and that is it. I'm making use of like 2 of these chicken fillets. I'm making use of half of this garlic. Of course, I have habanero pepper, but you can make use of amount of your choice. I don't use too much pepper because of my kids, but I have pepper sauce that I put aside. Then I have some garlic, I have some carrots, and I have green bell pepper or paprika. I have the yellow one, and I have the red bell pepper. I'm making use of some onion, and of course I have some green beans, and I have some flour which I'll be mixing with water to turn into a paste before I pour it inside. I'm making use of half of this cabbage. And of course, I have some vegetable oil or cooking oil. I'm done dicing everything off camera, and this is what it looks like. The garlic is here, the nutmeg is here, and of course I have onions which I dice into bigger shape because I want this to enhance the color of the sauce. Then I have the ones I just chopped into smaller pieces with the pepper as well. And the chicken is ready. I'm already diced it as well, so I'll be seasoning it with some all-purpose seasoning and some chicken flavor. I will marinate it and keep it aside for at least 10 minutes. I will also marinate the shrimps and keep it aside. Add cooking oil into your pot, allow it to get hot, then you introduce the chicken strips. I will fry this for at least 5 minutes or till the color turns to like white or milk color. Then after that, I will introduce the diced onion and the pepper. The one I diced with my chopper. So I will introduce it now. Then I will give it a stir, keep stirring it. Remember, you are frying it. Then after a while, I will introduce the shrimp. I will fry it together for at least a minute or till the shrimps turn into like orange color. Then after that, I will introduce other spices like garlic, nutmeg, bay leaf, and the thyme. Then I will also be introducing the curry powder. I will add a lot of curry powder, but add curry powder to your taste. You don't need to make the color to pop out, but if you want it to be like that, yes, everybody that sees it, we know that it has curry powder, that is chicken curry, then you add a lot of curry powder, but it's not a must. Then I will add water to this. I'm making use of the amount of the content I have inside the pot, so I always add water to the level of the content I have inside the pot. Then I added also carrots and the green beans, which take longer time to cook more than other vegetables I have here. I will cover the pot and cook for at least 3 minutes. Then after that, I open it, give it a stir to make sure it's not burning. Then I will introduce the onion, the ones I dice into bigger shapes. Then I will add the cabbage. I will add the bell peppers that I diced off camera. Then I will give this a stir. and I noticed that I needed to add a little bit of water to the content or the level of the content. Then I added it and introduced the flour paste. Then after that, I also follow it up with some salt to taste. Give it a stir again to make sure that everything is well combined together, and also to check the consistency of the liquid inside the pot. You don't want this to be too thick. We just want it to be light, but not watery and not too thick, just like so. Test for salt, then cover and cook this for at least 2 minutes. Then after that, I will open it and stir it again to make sure it's not burning. Combine everything together and check the consistency again. Then once I'm okay with the consistency, I will add the spring onion which I diced earlier. Then I will stir this at least a total of 30 seconds. Then everything is ready. I don't need to overcook the vegetables. So check again for the final test and everything is perfect. Take it out and voila! Yummy in my tummy, looking so good. So dish out some rice and dish out some of the chicken curry sauce and enjoy. Hope you'll be trying this for Easter. Hope you'll be trying this for your family this Sunday. So guys, stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Bring your spoon. Oh.